Hi, Sarah Starr speaking here. Today I'm making a quick video just about social bookmarking. A lot of misconceptions here, and I just wanted to kind of go through this a little bit, just especially in light of the kind of recent updates that Google has been rolling out. The Penguin updates and all these other strange updates with strange names. But today, like I said, I want to talk about bookmarking. Now, if you're not really familiar with bookmarking, the way it works is you can join a website like this. There are loads and loads of them around. This is dig.com. And you can use dig.com a bit like a search engine, but the big difference is everything on this site has been ranked not by some algorithm or some software product. It's actually been ranked by real people. So the web pages which are recommended on this site have been recommended by lots and lots of other readers. So the website is recommending quality websites. So if we look on the front page here of this site, you can see all these different people. 237 people have voted for this site. A lot of people have voted for this site, and it's ended up on the home page. Why is this useful? Well, Google looks at these social bookmarking sites like dig.com because literally hundreds of thousands of people, millions of people use these websites. Plus, these are websites which have been ranked by human beings, not by robots. So Google, will look at the results that these types of sites have thrown up, and if you do get quality bookmarks to your websites, it can help with your ranking in Google. I've actually found that I've actually ended up getting quite a lot of traffic from social bookmarking sites direct. When I look at my stats package, I can see actually that I'm getting traffic coming direct from these social bookmarking websites. Now, the thing about social bookmarking is there's more than one site. This is dig.com. These are the major sites. There's all sorts of other websites, and then you can move further. There's even more and more websites. And you can imagine trying to sign up to all of these sites to bookmark your own stuff would be a bit of a problem. However, bookmarking your own stuff really is something you shouldn't be doing anyway. At the end of the day, social bookmarking really works best if we just go back to dig.com when you've got hundreds of other people. So here we've got 273 votes here. 237 votes. So if your web page had, say, 230 people had voted for it on this one website, you'd probably end up getting a lot of traffic because it might end up on the home page, and your website might end up getting a lot of traffic from dig.com. But what if your website, was socially bookmarked on all of these websites, not by you, but by lots and lots of other people? So let's say 10 people on dig.com voted for your site, or 20 people on dig.com voted for your site. Let's say on the Delicious bookmarking website, let's say 50 people voted for your website on there. Let's say on Yahoo Bookmarks, another 30 people voted for your website on there. Can you see where I'm going with this? So this is the way bookmarking should work. A lot of people sell software products out there which will set up accounts on all of these social bookmarking websites and then bookmark your own stuff. Really, that doesn't have any effect, because if you're bookmarking your own stuff, the search engines can see this, the bookmarking sites can see this, and the people who use these bookmarking sites can see this as well. It doesn't really have any effect. Social bookmarking only really comes into its own when lots and lots of other people from all around the world in different countries are all bookmarking your stuff for you. So how can you do this? Well, I've been actually using for about 6 or 7 months now this site here called Social Adder. This is one of the best bookmarking services I've actually ever used. And the great thing about this site is they actually have a free account or a paid account. So if you don't have a lot of money, you can get into this completely for free. Or if you a bit shorter time, you just want to get things set up quickly, you can pay a very small amount of money and get this all done for you. Now, the great thing about Social Adder, it's not software that you install on your machine or anything like that. It's completely cloud-based. So once you set up an account, all you actually need is a username and password, and then you just log in. Okay, so what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to actually create, or rather add, a bookmark. So all we need to actually do is add our URL. I'm not actually going to create one now, but all we need to do to create a bookmark on multiple websites is add our URL, add a title, a description, tags which are like keywords, choose a category. We then put a short description down here and a second short description down here. These are for websites like twitter.com that just require a really short bit of text, a bit like a microblogging site, and then click save. Now the way Social Adder works is they have a free section on this website, and if you sign up for a free account, you have to bookmark other people's content, and in return other people will bookmark your content. If you have a paid account, you don't have to bookmark anyone's stuff at all. So I have a paid account, and I don't have to bookmark anything for anybody else. Sorry about that, my phone was just ringing there. But like I said, so they have the free service and the paid service. If you take the free service, then you have to bookmark other people's stuff, and in return other people will bookmark your stuff. Or you can buy credits or a monthly fee, and you can get this done completely automatically. So the way Social Adder works is they've got literally tens of thousands of users all over the internet, and when you sign up for an account or a paid account, these other people in different geographical locations all over the world will start bookmarking your websites. So this is incredible. So this is incredibly powerful because not only, you're not bookmarking your own stuff. You don't have to set up any accounts on bookmarking sites. You don't even have to go to the bookmarking sites. All you need to do is add your URL, title, description, keywords, a couple of more short descriptions for microblogs like Twitter, and click save, and that's it. That's all you need to do. If I just go to the payment page, just so you can get an idea. So yeah, there's a free account here, so you can try this out for free, and then there's a paid option. Okay, so you can get into this for $17 a month. I'm currently using this package here, this middle package, which has cost me $72 a month, simply because I've got a lot of websites and a lot of web pages which I'm bookmarking. So the way it works is you get a certain amount of credits per day, and when you add a bookmark into the system, that will take up a certain amount of credits per day, and you can leave these pages in the system for as long as you like. So you can leave them in there for just a week or a few days, or if it's a very important website, you can just leave it in the system permanently, and every couple of days you'll get another bookmark. Every day you'll get a bookmark, so literally over a course of a month, that your web page will be getting bookmarks continuously over time. It won't just be a sudden influx of bookmarks, it will be bookmarks appearing regularly over time. So that's Social Adder. Definitely recommend it. Really good service, and really dead easy and quick to use, which is so important. There's nothing worse than paying for these very expensive software products and then you need to spend months learning how to use them. Social Adder, really simple. Don't need to install any software on your computer. All you do is log in, fill in your website details and click save. That's all you need to do.